Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and power so the update won't fail mid-install. Once done, make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and the watch is charging at 50% or higher. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, navigate to General then Software Update. Tap Download to fetch the update. You may be asked for your Apple ID password. This initiates the transfer to the watch and prepares files for installation, reducing risk of errors later. You now focus on the download and transfer phase, which is the complex middle step. While the iPhone downloads, keep both devices close and maintain Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections so the watch receives the update package. Agree to the terms and enter your passcode when prompted. This authenticates and decrypts the update. Let the iPhone manage file transfer. Do not force quit apps or toggle Bluetooth. This prevents corruption and ensures the watch has everything needed to proceed to installation. When the package is ready, tap Install on your iPhone and the watch will restart to apply the update. You'll see a progress wheel. Make sure the watch stays on its charger and both devices remain nearby until completion. Once finished, verify the new watch OS in settings right arrow general right arrow about. If the update fails or hangs, force restart the watch by holding both buttons, or as a last resort unpair, and repair the watch to the iPhone to retry the update. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.